This is a 1992 Harley Davidson XL883 Sportster. It's a tidy looking bike, but it has got a problem. It doesn't turn over very easy. The starter motor won't turn the engine. You have to put it in top gear and rock it, and that will start to turn the engine, but it's all very stiff. I don't know if the starter motor's locked in and seized up, or there's something else going on inside the engine. But like I say, it's not locked, just very stiff. Gears select on it, brakes work on it. It's quite a tidy looking bike. There you go.